A major theft has been reported from Hyderabad's IS Sadan area where a cash loading van driver allegedly fled with 17 lakh rupees meant for ATM replenishment. The incident took place on the Rayan Bazar Santosh Nagar main road. Police said the driver allegedly took a trunk box containing cash and escaped on a two-wheeler in what is suspected to be a pre-planned operation. A complaint was subsequently lodged at the IS Sadan police station, following which a case was registered. Police have begun examining CCTV footage from the area to trace the accused.